Kids love mayonnaise, but you don't want them to eat this store-bought junk, right? Worry not, we have a very healthy mayonnaise recipe without oil and without egg. Here's presenting a healthy vegan mayonnaise substitute for you all. For this recipe that does not use any fillers, additives, colors, or trans fat, you need 1/4 cup of cashews, 1/4 cup of melon seeds. You need to soak these for at least 5 to 6 hours separately, along with 1 tablespoon of raisins. Now I have used raisins as a substitute to sugar or sweetener, so you can skip it if you want. Soak 1 tablespoon raisins in 3 tablespoon of water. Soak everything separately for at least 3 to 5 hours. The more the better. Then after the soaking time, strain cashews and melon seeds, and you can discard this water. As always, I used this water to water my plants. Remember, nuts and seeds contain phytates and anti-nutrients that may make digestion a problem, so you don't want to use the seed and nut water. However, you need to store the raisin water. We will be using it for the recipe because it is rich in nutrients. Now you need to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to blend it all together. We will be using the raisin water little by little, and I will be using the whole of it gradually. So add little by little, blend, and then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard paste. I have already shared the recipe to make lacto-fermented mustard at home. You can check the recipe on the channel. Now blend it all together. Blend it really very well until it looks like this. It will be a little flowy at this time, but once it sets in the refrigerator, it will sit. Cover loosely and keep it aside at room temperature for 5 to 6 hours, and after that you will need to transfer it to the refrigerator. It will continue to thicken in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed the recipe of vegan healthy mayo alternative. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Take care, stay blessed, stay safe. Bye bye, see you soon.